So hello friends, my name is Lokhande and we are continuing our Python course. So today we are going to learn about variables. What are the variables? So simply variables are used to store the values. Likewise we see in the last lesson how we print and input function works. Here I'll say here how print and input function works together, but this code is really long to write, so we have to use variable to store this value. Like if I say name is equal to, and I put this inside this and simply I return this name, so I run the code. So here it runs really same as the previous one. So this is how variables are useful to store the data. Here name variable stores the input data which we are giving. So here we are giving the input data j, so it store name variable to j, and then it prints its print to the value. So I want to give one quick variables with the same name. So I made two variables with the same name. So what do you think it will print at this and this? Let's run and see. So at the first, print function takes the values from the first name function which I was given a jen, and then it overwrite the function in the line number 4. I gave the name function to the Harsh, so it print the value of the previous one. So there are some restriction in the variable naming. You can't start with the numbers. So if I say this and this, and I store the value like this and print, it will give me error. You can't start variable name from numbers. You can give anything, like anything you want to give, but you can't start with the numbers. And this is, and if I give this and write and run this, see it is giving the error, name error. I use name variable and stored j value and print out namas, which I never used in this as a variable, so it give me error. So if we have to print the variable, we have to give same name to print out that value. So see how this works. So there is one more famous question. We are So there is a question of variable swapping. So here I use two variable a and b. I store the value of 100 in variable a and I store the value of 200 in variable b, and I print out the variable a and then b. So see what happens. Uh, so it gives the number of variable a and b. So we have to swap the numbers. So let's see. If I store the value of a in variable c, so it's storing the value of 100 in c, and as I am using again a and storing the value of b in a, so here 200 is stored in a variable. Now it's overwritten 100 values, and now a's value is 200. So now I am using b value to store the value of c. So what is c? C was 100, and now b's value is c. That means value of b is 100. So now if I print out a and print out b, so you will see some changes. So see, first print value of a is 100, and then value of b is 200, and then value of a is 200 and value of b is 100. This is how variable are used in Python. So thank you for watching today's video, guys. Please like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, tell me in the comment section. Thank you so much.